Hi, this is Michael Nesbitt on behalf of Dan Green and the Bike Marketer team. I'd like to say welcome. I hope everyone is extremely well. Today I'm going to be reviewing this piece of software here, which is called Done For You Profitz. It's a fantastic system built by Jason Fulton and Mosh Barry, two affiliate marketers that we do a great deal of promoting for, and they do a great deal of promoting for us. And you may have heard of Mosh. He's very, very successful. He always does great campaigns. He always does great pieces of software. We've done tons of stuff with him, and I believe he's based in, I'm not sure if he's based in Dubai or not. Could be wrong, but I think he may be. So this is the software for today. It's a freezing cold morning here today, although I do have the window open. It was all frosty and everything this morning. Winter is here in the UK, as we say. So I'll get straight into it. Done For You Profitz. In a nutshell, what it does is the systems that Mosh Barry has been using for years work extremely well. So what he's done, he's put a fantastic system together. It's a campaign of different funnels to show you exactly how he makes the money that he makes, and it's all done for you. So the system is basically everything that he does, so you basically just have to follow the process and you will get the same results that he does if you just follow the process. So this is Mosh here. So it's a proven system for you to follow to make success. It's all done for you, and it's simple to follow and succeed for you. So people do make on average between 0 and any amount of money doing affiliate marketing. And as he says here, Jason and Mosh, they do make huge amounts of money every single month. So the systems that they've put together are just for you to follow. And even if you're half as successful as they are, you will become really, really phenomenal at doing affiliate marketing online. Now, Done For You Profitz. Before you think, oh, have I got to get hosting, have I got to build a website, all these different kind of things, it's a cloud-based software system, so there's none of that. Forgive me if I keep returning here. I've just got it all on the screen here to read you and run everything through you. Now, I know you can see everything, so there's no need to write articles for your blogs and websites ever again, so you don't have to do that. And there's no more making huge investments into websites, both time and money. There's no more crazy time consuming manual labor or ranking of websites or video. There's none of that whatsoever. Absolutely no life draining tech skills required, no tech skills required to make the software work for you. So it's great for newbies. So if you're new to this, this could be your springboard into making a great deal of money. Never again will you have to do stupid, boring, repetitive tasks ever again. You're not going to be constantly building lists. You're not going to be looking for customers. You're not going to be worrying about traffic. There's none of that with this. It's a proven system that works extremely well. So all you have to do is follow the steps. No more hard to follow complicated training materials that makes you pull your hair out. So there's no hard work whatsoever. You just have to follow what we're going to show you today, and then you will also become a success if you follow the process properly. So I'll carry on with this and you'll see a few more things. So it's a done for you affiliate marketing system that gives you 30 done for you affiliate funnels to copy, paste, and start profiting in just 60 seconds. Now, the first step, you log into Done For You Profitz. It's a cloud-based software system. You select 100% Done For You affiliate offers that they provide. And step 3, one push of a button, watch the affiliate commissions explode, and then rinse and repeat. Now, that's what I call Done For You. So this is the fantastic thing, and bear in mind, this is, what I'm about to show you now, is an important element. Now, the EPC is $10.79. That's earnings per click. Now, that figure is very important because what you can do now is you can use Facebook to make this really, really work incredibly for you. And I'm going to show you now how this is done. Now, what I will do is I will go into Facebook and I will show you exactly how this is done. I will go into the software and show you how that's done as well. So this is Facebook and this is the ad manager page. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Facebook and show you this little element of how this will work for you. So here I am in Facebook and I'm in Ads Manager. You basically go into search and you put in ads, and it will bring up Ads Manager, and you can go in. It's very, very simple to get into. And this is what comes up when I've gone in. As you can see, we have set the daily budget at $20 daily. So that's the click rate. If someone clicks on the banner ad, we can't spend more than $20, and that's $2 per click. Now, if I click continue on that, and this is set up just Australia and the UK, but I will go in and I will set it up for the United States as well, because we obviously just deal in English-speaking countries. So if I can remember how to do this, this is what comes up. Obviously over 18, and this is the amount of clicks that it's saying that we'll get if we do those locations. So if I scroll down, create new audience, I'll click that off. Everyone in this location. So if I put the United States in here, there you go, United States. There you go. Select a region. And then this will add the United States to the list, and as you can see, the rates change, and the click links, the rate does change. So I've got United Kingdom, Australia, United States. I'll put in Canada as well, and then that should change this hopefully on the side, because the amount of people that are in Canada as well. So there, that's come down. So they're talking, if we take a middle number between the click links there of 10, so that means that every 10 clicks we would make a sale, which is the EPC average was that on Mosh Bari's page, as I just showed you. So if we go down, we've put this into detailed targeting, which you would have to do as well. We've put in internet marketing, and we've put in online marketing as well. So what the adverts are saying here on Facebook is, this is how many people we will reach that are interested in, because it's so well targeted, that are interested in these demographics in these countries in internet marketing and online marketing. So this will hit this many people every single day. It will hit 1,400 people every single day in those locations interested in this particular niche, which is internet marketing and online marketing. So you can do this for other niches as well, and this figure will change. But the fantastic thing about it is we already know that the software EPC is $10. So every $10 that is spent, every $2 that is spent, we will make a sale. So that's great. So their daily budget. So this is the daily budget, $20. And this is the cost control, $2 per click. But we already know that the EPC is $10. So every time someone clicks, when it gets to $10, we will have made a sale, and it's getting to this many people. So that's just the average in between there. We could make more money. So that's a fantastic way for you to use Facebook to actually create an amount of money. And what I will do now is I will go into the maths. I will put up a calculator and explain this and how these figures actually work for you. So that's how simple that is to set up on Facebook. You cap it at $20 a day. Per click costs you $2, and the average EPC for this product is $10, so you would make $8. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that written down here. So this is the Facebook ad manager page. So here we go. EPC is $10. That's the earnings per click from this product. Facebook costs you $2, so you make $8 profit. And you cap it at $20 a day in ads, so you make $80 per day in profit. That's $2,480 a month. Wow. However, what you're probably forgetting about is this. There's actually 30 funnels, which is amazing. So 30 funnels making that kind of money is how people like Mosh Bari and people in affiliate marketing are making this amount of money per month. So if you make $2,480 per funnel per month, you'll make $74,000 a month. So that's the amazing thing. Because of the amount of funnels that there is, you can have them all in different niches, so they're hitting completely different audiences right across the world. And even if you didn't do very well and you didn't make your 74 grand and you made 7 grand a month, I'm sure you would be absolutely over the moon. I know I would, without a shadow of a doubt. This is something that is absolutely phenomenal. And this is the technique that they use, and we know it works well. We do tons of promoting for Mosh. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the software and show you how all of that works. So now to the software. As you can see, it's this is the dashboard page. You've got dashboard pages, all pages, add new. That must be if you've got your own page you want to put in there, which is a good idea. I didn't think of that initially. You've got training and tutorials. I would always say go in and have a look at that and learn all the different things, because there'll be things within here that will be really, really helpful to you. Done for you autoresponder integrations. There's about 6 of the top autoresponders within here already for you, which is great. You've got done for you giveaways and offers, which would be competitions and things like that. So I'll just scroll down. This is the list. I'm on pages here, so this is the list of all of the done for you pages that are in here. The done for you sales pages. Give us a look. Okay. Sniper Profitz Pro, okay, the sales page for that, this is what this would look like. And as you can see, it's got actually got the how much it's earned on here, which is good. So this is what you'll get, and this is just the front end sales page. So after this, you would get the OTO pages and all the rest of the funnel regarding that. It's really, really, really high quality, very, very well put together. A mountain of information. Everything looks really, really fantastic. All of the information in all the usual places, and as you can see, it is really, really good and really well put together for you. So that is very, very straightforward, very simple, and that's just one of them from there. And you've got to remember there is 30 of these as well, which is great for you. So what I will do now is I will go into the gift for today, and I will go into our bonuses. And so to our bonuses for today, the first bonus is called the Copywriter's Handbook, and that's it's an ebook for you, which will help you write really good reviews and articles and things like this for Facebook. It's very, very important to understand all the ins and outs of the way language works, and it will be really, really useful to you. So this is the Copywriter's Handbook, everything you need to know about the selling effectively on the internet. We spend a great deal of time here at Bike Marketer discussing various strategies and various things to do with the right kind of copy being used. And there's various books that we use. As you can see, there's a bunch of books behind me here on the shelves, which I'm not sure if you can see, but there is. It's just very important the kind of language I use. And this book here, the Copywriter's Handbook, will be very useful to you. So that's the first bonus for today. And now the second bonus for today, which because Done For You Profits does relate using the system to Facebook, we thought it was very important to have something regarding Facebook to help you with this. So we've got an ebook here which is about 45 pages long, called Facebook Retargeting Secrets, which is a great book, and I would highly recommend this. How to use Facebook retargeting to boost sales for your product or service. You can't underestimate how Facebook's techniques for actually targeting specific kinds of people who are into specific niches has totally revolutionized the world of how to sell online and the world of advertising across the globe within the last 10 years or so. It's very, very important, and I can't stress enough how amazing it is how they can target particular people in a particular niche, with particular interests, in a particular place, with a particular age, with a particular income. It's very, very useful, and it means you can hone down and only target people who would be interested in your product. So I can't emphasize how important this is enough. And now what I'm going to go into our gift for today, which is free for you just opening the email. So now our gift for today, if you are a regular watcher of the channel, then you'll know that to all our subscribers and on the channel now, we put a link to the gift. So if you want to download the gift, you just have to click on the link in the description on YouTube, or if you're a subscriber via email or something along those lines, then if you're on one of our lists, then you will actually get the gift free just for opening the email here. So I will bring it over to the screen. and this is the Facebook ad setup. And what it has is, as you can see, there's a series of videos for you, and there's a series of audio files for you as well. If I click on the audio files, then these will open. So you've got 10 audio files there, all about how to set up ads on Facebook and how that could be useful to you. And there's also videos as well. So I'll just open up, I'll open up just with the video player, and I'll see what this is like. So here we go. So there's various videos here which will be very, very useful to you. We'll see what the quality's like, see what it sounds like. Hope I don't have the volume too loud here.
Hello and congratulations on getting access to this video course on Facebook Ad Basics. This
So
is, of course, video
Facebook
number...
Ad Basics. So that's really, really good. So that's our free gift for today. And now I will just do a very, very quick recap into everything that we're promoting and reviewing today. So this is the recap for today. It's done for you, Profitz, done by Mosh Bari, who we've done loads and loads of promoting for, and he promotes a lot of our products as well. He's a big player in the affiliate marketing industry and does extremely well. So I would highly recommend Jason and Mosh's done for you Profitz today. I think it could be very, very useful, especially to newbies who are new to this. I know we don't focus enough, in my opinion, on newbies, but if you are new to this, I think this could be a really, really good springboard for you. Just a quick recap here. They have been so successful within the industry, and this proven system is 30 done for you funnels. Now a funnel is the front end sales page and then various one-time offers all the way through to pro versions and all the way through to the end of the funnel. So there's other versions within there that would be very, very useful to you. That's basically what a funnel is. It's all done for you, very, very simple to use. You don't need any hosting and websites or anything like that. There's 3 basic steps and it's very, very straightforward, and there's 30 different funnels. Because there's 30, the formula that we would suggest using would actually work and bring you a great deal of money in. So the formula is, because the EPC, which is the earnings per click, is around $10, then we believe doing Facebook ads will be really, really useful to you, and capping in at $20 a day, $2 per click, and then you will make money from this, because the EPC is, the conversion rate is really high. You'll make $10 per click, so that'll give you $8 profit. So just go into Facebook Ads Manager, set it up in the right countries that you want to sell that particular funnel in, and because you're doing it, you'll make $8 profit, $20 a day in ads just to cap it at that. So it's only $2 per click. You'll make $80 a day, which is $2,400 a month. But that's not the brilliant thing about it. The brilliant thing about it is there's 30 funnels, which is amazing. So if you make that amount of money for 30 funnels, you're going to average about 74 grand, which is quite incredible. And it's a huge amount of money for you to make. That is done for you Profitz. Now, my name is Michael Nesbitt. On behalf of Dan Green, the Bike Marketer team, please like, subscribe this, share this video on all of your different platforms that you may be on: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Pinterest, whatever you're on. Please do share what we do. We are here basically to do reviews and help you make a success of internet marketing. That's why we're here. Thanks for all the comments, for everyone who comes back to us. Thanks for all the nice things people have said about the videos. I do really try to put comprehensive reviews together, and I'm hoping that ours are some of the best that you'll get in the world of affiliate marketing. So please like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I will be back with you very, very soon. Michael Nesbitt, on behalf of the Bike Marketer team, thank you very much again for watching, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Cheers.